Hi everybody, David from the Hobby Den here. Today we got a unboxing of 2023 Optic football hobby blasters. If you didn't notice, this has different artwork than your regular blaster. These are meant only for hobby shops. And the exclusive you can get from these blasters are blue scope parallels. So for instance, if you pull a CJ Stroud pink prism from a blaster, it's worth 80 bucks. But if you pull the blue scope, it's worth like 160 bucks. These you can also get fires emojis, blue glitters, autographs, and autographs numbered to 99. And then 101 jerseys. Other than that, you can't get regular numbered cards. So, gotta hope for a blue scope. I'd like a Richardson blue scope, that would be nice. A little color match. Michael Vick, so. Zach Charbonnet blue scope. Kai Blackman. Brian Breesy. I think I have every parallel for Brian Breesy there is. Jonathan Mingo, Kendre Miller, Matthew. CJ Stroud base, Darius Davis silver. Not bad. Centering looks pretty, almost perfect on this, so. Get this prep for grading. Tank Bigsby, blue scope. All right, not a bad first box. Maybe we can hit it downtown. Jaleel McLaughlin. Chad Ryland, Anthony Richardson. Matthew Stafford silver, Jalen Waddle. Aiden O'Connell, blue scope. quarterback battle in Oakland or in Las Vegas looking. Diamond Hands Cooper Cup. Tyson Bagent. Leo McNine. Top load QB. I think it can get better. Here it goes. Downtown CJ Stroud. Clark Phillips III. Deontay Banks. Aaron Rodgers. Barry Sanders. Jackson Smith-Jigba with the giant print line. Jesus. Dan Henley. Devin Witherspoon and Darrell Revis. Jordan Battle. Tavius Robinson. And Devin A. Chan. The bend and light it up, Will Levis. Will. All right, 2 blasters left. It has not gotten better. And secondary market on these are close to $75, $80 or so. Mario Douglas, Jahmyr Gibbs, Jerome Bettis. The Gibbs blue scope would look nice. DeAndre Swift, DeAndre Hopkins. Christian Kirk, Justin Herbert. DJ Turner, Bijan Robinson, and Ramondre Stevens. Jake Hayner. Miles Murphy, Michael Strahan. Josh Downs, Tank Dell, primary colors. All right, last box. Can we do it? Let's open from the front. Dalton Kincaid, blue. Michael Wilson, Kayvon Thibodeau. That's a nice card match right there. Best one I've had in a while. Tyree Wilson, Devontae Adams, Derwin James. Hendon Hooker blue, nice. DJ Turner, Tank Dell, rookie phenom. Will Anderson, Willis McGahee, Mike Evans. Reggie Wayne, Jake Hayner, Josh Downs Silver. Can we do a last pack magic? Derek Hall. Nope. Well, that did not go well. DJ Turner, Douglas, Battle, Henley, Banks, Josh Downs, Tank Dell jersey, Hayner, Chad Ryland, Tank Bigsby. My hits are Hendon Hooker, Dalton Kincaid, Tyson Bagent, Aiden O'Connell. Yeah, I don't know how worse I could get. Well, sometimes you hit, sometimes you don't. Appreciate it as always, and if you can, like and subscribe. Thank you.